Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Konrad Sangma, Menteri Rongba Kejala Mentagasngi Shitarik Unailar, ulai kendu kerpang yaki head officer ke Niti Ayog, Hanong Bak Shalong, nakabenta ban yathir sani, ban pentulun yaki song penroy, kibawan na tenat traikam beper ke Sorkar Jela. Habakeren cekilat patai kubor hadin balawai ke Jingyalang, Konrad Sangma ulai tu, bahagani ke Jingyalang, layathir bat yakren, halor ke Jing pentulun yaki song penroy kibawan na ke Sorkar Pedeng, syagani ke Jela Meghalaya, nakabenta ban kentiu yakani ke Jela.
It was a very detailed meeting with presentations from almost all the departments. Of course, because of time constraint, we couldn't cover all. But the works that are being conducted by the different 9 departments, the challenges that the departments are facing, I think all this came out, and I'm very happy that our Vice Chairman has responded very positively, and he has ensured us of complete support from Niti Ayog and from Government of India in order to resolve the issues and the pending issues that are there, and the challenges and constraints that we are facing. So if you work in any department or in fact in any mission, you need to know where you're going, and you need to know the way forward. You need to know what are the targets, and obviously those targets need to be something that are achievable, doable, something that keeps all the constraints in mind. So this blueprint will allow us to really see all the departments separately, see what the challenges are in those departments, and allow us to work forward in a very time-bound manner and a target-based manner. And that is the whole objective. It's not going to be like a blueprint complete document, but the department-wise we're going to work out on this blueprint for each sector and move forward.
Dr. Rajiv Kumar, Vice Chairman ke Niti Ayog, haba benrap halor kani, ulai tu bakani ke Jingyalang kalayathir janai bha, nakabenta ke Jingpelong ke Jela Meghalaya, yaga National Games House nem Arhajar Arpuar, bat yakren sani baru halor ki song penroy ki bala pentuit da ke Sorkar Pedeng syagani ke Jela.
And we had a very good discussion on the development programs and priorities for Meghalaya, and I'm very impressed with what the programs that have been developed for agriculture, for tourism, for infrastructure development, and also the target for New Meghalaya for 2022 when the National Games will be held. We talked about several constraints and bottlenecks that the state is facing. For example, in terms of the education structure, the lack of trained teachers, or the lack of electricity connections in the schools, or connectivity, mobile connectivity in the border area. So Niti Ayog will take up all those issues with the different line ministries of the central government, and also we have decided that the Meghalaya government and Niti Ayog will work as partners for developing a blueprint for Meghalaya. And wherever they find any difficulty with the line ministries, they can always contact us, and we will try and do the needful and try and help them. So the final word is that they are also planning to do some major public-private partnerships in sectors like tourism, where they can invite private investment, and we in Niti Ayog will help them as best as possible.